video I will show the instructions to stitch a cover for this is cover for Dari or blanket or mat you can do. Other side of cover is this way, patch with the red fabric at the center and the border with the main that blue printed fabric and finished with the zip for opening. This is a faded Dari which I supposed to remake or renew it or cover it with the new fabric. Here is printed one and the red one. I'm going to combine those with the zip. I'll stitch a cover. Have the fabric, then you can take the old nice bed sheet, double bed sheet. Sometime the bed sheet is outside part or the center part is nice, so that bed sheet also you can take. This cover will be one side fully this printed one. In the other side there will be the border of this printed fabric and the center this will be on red. In fabric you have to cut length plus 4 inch and the width also with plus 4 inch. In the red fabric I have to take the length minus 3.5 inch, 3.5 inch. In the width also 3.5 inch minus less, because half inch which we are taking, that is we need for extra for sewing. This blue printed fabric I have more all around. I am getting 4 inches more in the length and width, so I marked this from the edges 4 inch like that, and where on the corner this triangle shape I have to cut. If the fabric is 4 inch extra outside, then for to stitch the frame you have to mark this 8 inch on the lengthwise and the widthwise both, and then when you are getting the square on the corner, mark this way and cut this dot dot part, all the 4 corners this way. When you will stitch this corner, then this fold will be 4 inch only, so that to get the 4 inch we have to mark this 8 inches, double of that. Now hold the corner cut part, match the edges this way and stitch, twice stitch. All the 4 corners we have to stitch this way only. After stitching, turn all the corners towards right side. Now the frame part is ready with the 4 inch fold all over this way. Now I'll place the red fabric at the center. Now showing the placing of red fabric at the center, and this way it will look like after stitching. Place this red fabric by 1/4 inch under this blue strip. Fold blue strip by 1/4 inch and lap on red one and pin it. Pin one to both the length, this part length and that part length side, and one width. Another width on this, another width will stitch the zip for opening. Keep scale downside to avoid pinning downside fabric this way and pin it safely. I am selecting this diamond designer stitch instead of zigzag to finish the edges of the fold. All over zigzag stitching is done this way with the finishing of joining of this blue and red fabric all over done. Now this open part will finish with the zip stitching. Open part is finished with zip and it is ready. I already covered it with the cover is ready for my Dari. The same way you can do for any carpet or blanket or something. The cover is looking nice. Side of cover is printed only this way.